In this video, I'm gonna show you an amazing method to make money online by gaming, and this is something which is tried and tested and which is real. Okay, this is a real way to make money online just by doing gaming. Okay, and this is something which can earn you a long-term income, and this is not something like just download an application to your smartphone and make money online. Okay, this is something real. This is something which you can scale to an exponential level. Okay, so now let's get started into our awesome content so that you can really make money, and that's the purpose of this channel. Okay, so now let's jump into it. Step 1, if you need to make money online just by gaming, you need to download this software to your computer, which is known as Open Broadcaster software. Okay, now this is the software which you can utilize to live stream game. Yes, we are talking about live streaming games on YouTube or Twitch, because these are the two best real ways through which you can make money online, and it is really significantly very simple and does not require almost very less investment is needed to start a gaming channel and start making some real potential income with it, which is really awesome. As well as you can get a lot of brand deals and sponsorships in the future, so that you can make some extra revenue sources just by your gaming channel. That could be one of the best strategy of making money online. If you are someone who is interested in gaming and who is serious about making money online from games, or you want to create a good gaming career, then this is the best thing which you can do. Now OBS Studio is one of the software which many of the people around the gaming industry utilize to stream games on YouTube or Twitch. Okay, so that can be one of the best method and best free software which you can download as a beginner. Okay, now there are two investments which you will need, which will be very important. Number one would be you will need a webcam. Okay, now it can be a cheap webcam, $30 to $40 webcam, which you can order from Amazon and it will be delivered to your home. As well as you will need a microphone. Okay, this one is also one of the microphone. This is the mono microphone, which costs almost $60, so you can just order this one. Okay, so within $100 your setup for gaming is ready, and of course you need a computer. Okay, an old PC will be fine. If you are having an old computer, then you can play games which require low graphic intensity. Then you can stream those type of games from your low powered computer, and once you start earning from that, then you can upgrade it to higher powered computer, so you can play heavy games on it. Or else you can just start streaming with your smartphone. That is also an option which is available to you, because many of the biggest gamers just stream smartphone games and make money with it, which is one of the best thing which absolutely almost every one of you can do and really earn some good money online. Let me show you one example of one of the gamers who is one of the biggest and most famous gamers in the world. That is Markiplier. What he does is that he simply just sits on his computer, records his screen, records himself with it, and just creates this gaming video. He is giving his small commentary on the games and all this stuff. Okay, and he is probably earning in millions of dollars, and this is the right real legit way to make money online by gaming. Okay, if you are going to follow the other YouTubers who are just gonna tell you that make money online, download this application, earn $5 $10, I think that you may make $5 to $10 with that. Okay, but it's never a sustainable long-term income. But this is something which can be a sustainable long-term income, and this is something which can really replace your 9 to 5 job. If you are stuck into one, then this can be the best thing for you. You can start in the beginning, you can start with your job as a side gaming time, because you can stream for 1 hour just after returning from your job. It will be refreshing for you, as well as you will also start generating some income from this. And once you start generating more income than your job from your gaming channel, after that you are free to leave your job, and then you can become a full-time gamer and make extra money. As well as other revenue streams about gaming will also be open to you, and in this way you could entirely play games and make yourself money. The real legit tried and tested formula and strategy is this, okay? But the thing is that you have to take action, and this is not a small action. You have to take big action. You have to commit yourself. You have to be in discipline and stream or record yourself playing games and then upload it to YouTube or Twitch, whichever platform you prefer. And this is the real way of making money online, playing games. And this is something which many of the people are doing, and this is one of the biggest industries. So you can be a part of this. You can start doing this, as well as the third world countries are really the countries in which the trend of gaming has been developing really well. And that's the reason why all the third world country audience is coming to see people playing games, and they would be definitely interested in your gaming channel. So definitely it is not very late to start a gaming channel, but it is a big opportunity, because a lot of audience now in the world is getting an internet connection, and they are coming on the internet and they will be willing to watch your videos. So there is a huge chance of growing a big audience even now on YouTube, which is one of the biggest opportunities. So you must start as soon as possible, and this can really make you some good real income online, which can be one of the best thing, which can be your career, which can replace your 9 to 5. And if you got some awesome smashing value out of this video, smash the like button. This is very important. And also smash the subscribe button so that you will get notified every time I come up with this type of awesome videos for you, in which I bring you real things about making money online, as well as I share with you some amazing websites which you can go visit and really start making money online. This can be some of the best channel. This is the best channel for you. Smash the like button, smash the subscribe button. We'll see you in the next video. Until then, stay happy, stay subscribed, and thanks for watching our awesome video.